Okay, today we're going to learn how to screencast on our iPhone. So if you want to screencast your iPhone screen to the projector, first thing first, you need to be on the same network with the projector. So this projector is using this network to browse, this bugger, and this phone I want to use to screencast is also going to use the same network. So they need to be on the same network. Then you need to download an app from the App Store. This app called HY320. So you're going to download and install it. It's loading. I should have done this. Honestly, I should have done this before. Remember how I saw this app? I went from here, this app store from the home page, then went down. Okay, you better focus. That's the name of the app is AP Pro. Then you launch it. After launching, it's going to ask you blah blah blah. Just click on confirm. All this. Then you go to AirPlay mirroring resolution. Then you put it to 4K at least. Then you press the back button here. Remember to push it to background though. Background. Then you go to the phone you want to screencast to. I don't know why my network is loading. Don't load though. We need to finish this work. I can't start this video again. Alright, then you press on this screen mirroring something. Then you can see the name of the projector. That's ATV4. Then you click on it. Alright, I don't know why it's putting like a Windows 1988 and the 1998. So now everything I have on my phone is on the screen. One thing I don't like about the iPhone screencaster is that it uses data. So if your data is strong, that's the only way it's going to be bright. Once your data start getting worse, it wouldn't. They must be on the same network before it can function. Unlike the iPhone, now you need to push this thing. You need to push it. You can see you need to push it to enable auto rotate, so you can have that full screen experience. Now it's full screen. Okay, it's not on full screen. Right, so that's it. So when you use this app for like a period of a month or thereabouts, we are done. Please stop screencasting. Oh, it's finally up. I hit this thing. Alright, this is how you stop screencasting. Now screen mirroring. Press on stop mirroring. Alright, don't mind them, they are playing. So once you're done, from time to time, this app is going to tell you that it's out of something like it's out of memory space, or you should pay something, blah, blah, blah. Just uninstall and restore it, or even clear the cake. Uninstall and restore it and do the same setting again, then you should be good to go. Sorry the video was taking too long, but it's because I don't have anybody helping me to do the video. That was why I was having a jiggly hand. Right, is there any other time I should tell you? No. Bye.